He needs space. Does he think I'm being needy or clingy? Erin here from VixenDaily, where we make men make sense. So, are you being needy? The guy you're with or the guy that you are seeing has said that he needs space. And you are wondering to yourself, am I needy? Has he lost interest due to this neediness? So something happens when he says he needs space. Your heart sinks, you get terrified about your relationship or the budding relationship. And the truth is, neediness makes the relationship fail. So it is extremely important that you have clarity, and I am extremely happy that you're watching this video right now because it's going to give you not only clarity, but the answer to how to stop this problem so that you never have to worry about it again. So being needy literally kills your chance of being in a healthy relationship that lasts for the long term. You might be needy right now. I'm gonna be real with you. However, there is no time like the present to stop. If you stop now, you stop damaging your relationship. Okay, so what is neediness? Being afraid of losing something you think you have. Being afraid of losing your relationship and observing how he acts in an effort to secure a relationship will basically make it 100% that he'll pull away, right? So he will feel like you're smothering him and he will feel suffocated. What's the solution though? The solution is to give him space. So how do you do this? You do this by letting him miss you. You don't interrupt his process of falling and being in love. Instead of being needy, all you have to do is drop fear of loss. So fear of loss is at the heart of neediness. Fear of loss means you feel you have something that you are desperately trying to hold on to, or else you feel you'll lose it. Subconsciously, it's almost as if you feel that fear needs to be there in order to make him stay. When the truth is that fear suffocates the relationship. The opposite of fear of loss is letting go of fear. So the solution after you let go of fear is to be in a good mood. And being in a good mood will also make him feel that you're not needy. When you're in a good mood, you have things in your life that you love. You don't need the relationship to have a full life. This is the opposite of neediness. How do you do this though? Here's how. First, occupy yourself with things you love. Be engaged with what makes you feel good. Do you like working out? Do you like pottery? Do you like running? Do you like to play an instrument? Do you like writing? Whatever it is, take the time to figure out right now what makes you feel good. Then focus on doing things to occupy yourself. So dedicate 1 hour per day to just relaxing and taking care of yourself. Next, write in a private journal, for example, what you fear and work out your fears and your worries. Write it out. Just writing things down and really thinking them through on paper can actually be a huge help to kind of clean up any fears and worries, as well as give you clarity on the best way forward. Remember this always. You were okay before you met this guy. You were. Go inside your heart and your mind and remember what it felt like to just feel okay, whole, and at peace, even though you weren't in a relationship yet. Get in touch with that okayness and imagine what it would feel like to be that way again. It might not feel real at first, but you can fake it till you make it. Yes, you can. It helps. I promise. I want to just get one thing clear. How do you know if you're doing this right? It's very important to know because the distinction is the key to what will make you successful in not seeming needy. Don't think faking neediness works. I know I just said that you can fake it till you make it, but that's different. I am talking about you imagining it in the privacy of your own mind. That's you working toward not being needy. That is you working on yourself. It's a personal journey. What I'm talking about is faking neediness to the guy you're with, okay? Having your own personal journey is different than you faking neediness to the guy you're with. So here's an example specifically. Let's say you think he's gonna cheat on you with a girl he's really good friends with and you just hate the situation so much, but instead of saying to yourself, okay, I'm gonna work on this internally and let go and realize that trusting him is the only real way to actually create a situation where you will be successful because you will be giving trust and injecting trust in the relationship. That will create positive vibes. But what you're gonna be doing when you fake it and pretend to be overtly pro him being around this girl is you, number one, you give off a vibe of being passive aggressive and it's very obvious. That is what to never do. Never just passive aggressively make comments. The truth is you have to internally feel like you trust him. You have to work on that in yourself. It's the letting go. You might feel afraid to let go of your fear at first. Again, you probably feel as if you need to be afraid of him leaving or else you won't do what you have to do in order to make sure that he stays. But this is all an illusion. Ironically, the way out of this trap is to sometimes imagine that he did leave you, but to your surprise, you're actually okay. I know it's shocking. I know it's terrifying, but you have to trust me on this one. In this imagination, ask yourself, why are you able to feel okay? Ask yourself, how is it possible? You might be shocked at how much wisdom you can unlock with this imagination exercise and finding out what you need in order to feel okay again within your relationship. When you feel okay and let go of the fear of losing him, you'll feel much better and everything will get much better in your relationship. Remember, women are the emotional leaders of the relationship. They set the emotional tone for how the relationship will be. So it's super important to make your mood and inner feelings of well-being your number one priority. The better you feel, the better your relationship will be. That is something to never forget. And if you like this material, give this video a like and thumbs up and subscribe for more, and tell me in the comments if there's any topic you want me to cover. And I will be back with more videos all about how to deal with a guy needing space. So I've got you covered. Until next time.